Hi guys, it's Andrea. I am super excited to show you what's inside this little box. Amy Butler, who is one of my all-time favorite fabric designers, recently did a fabric drop from her website. Now, she's no longer printing fabric, but what she did is she went to India and hand selected collections of fabric, and then she did a limited time drop, and I got the last bundle. I got there just in time, and I am super excited to share this gorgeous fabric with you. I mean, the packaging is incredible. Look at how she styled this with the bow. Oh, it's gorgeous. You'll soon see why I was so super excited to get some of this gorgeous fabric. So I am planning to use this. It should be about 11 yards total. And I am planning to make myself some really awesome tunics. This fabric is so soft and light. And here's the little product card there. It's really stunning. It's going to be perfect for apparel. So I'll be sure to share more information with you about the projects that I'm going to make for myself with this. It is really soft and beautiful. I think that this fabric is block printed, if I remember reading that right. Oh, you'll have to let me know which one's your favorite. I love them all. Amy has impeccable taste in fabric. Oh, these are so pretty. I am not disappointed. This is amazing. And they shipped really quick for me too. I'm going to have so much fun just looking at these. So they will become some wild, fun tunics because they're half-yard cuts. So I'm going to need to kind of patchwork them together. Or I'll do like block panels. They won't be too crazy, but just gorgeous. They're going to be perfect for summer living. Oh, I'm so excited. So in total, there should be about 11 yards. All the prints are different. This one I'm going to open up for you. This looks especially vibrant. But you can see they're pretty big cuts, so they're half-yard cuts. I mean, there's enough here that I can do something cool with this. I'm going to have a lot of really pretty accessories from the scraps as well. So my bundle was primarily pink and green, which is my watermelon colors. Oh, they're just gorgeous. So let me know in the comments what you think of my super duper find, and keep an eye on Amy Butler's website and you can get some of her fabric in the future. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow for the tutorial.